quick update on the new lights on the Jeep. You see how those turn out? Excited to see. They're pretty easy to put in. It's 4 screws to remove the headlight bezel, and then 4 for the headlight, and then unplug and plug. So, already tossed them in, but we'll get to see how bright they are together, and hopefully they aren't shit. $100 Amazon lights, so see what happens. These are the lights at night. It's in my 97 Cherokee. This camera's making it look pretty bright out, but it is pitch black. So, you know, that's a thing. These are just normal driving. This is how the high beams look. This does not have the headlight harness upgrade anymore. These are just the eBay lights installed. I'll show you guys the difference between daylight running and high beams during the day when you can actually see the lights. But for now, let's take a boo, see how this goes. So, pitch black road, lights off, can't see a sausage, lights on, see everything. So they have really nice cutouts there. It's not all over the place. High beams, they do their job. So didn't want to run LEDs in this because I have roof lights. With these headlights I no longer need the roof lights, so probably switch up the roof rack and all that, but just thought I'd show you guys. That's the difference they are. Fucking enormous difference from stock. I did have the headlight upgrade on the factory sealed beam housings, and it was neat. It helped. It did a lot, but this did a lot more. Well, what can I say? It's them at night. They'll light up real well. Gotta say, it's pretty good. Probably the best headlights I've ever had. Even with the wiring upgrade, I'd say these are better. Only downside is now my roof lights are useless because the headlights are too good. So, do what you will with that. Love these headlights, $100. Next project I'm doing is for sure getting them, so would recommend them.